Hello everybody, Gliderman here. So today we're going to be working in the center of our main panel here. For now, we are just going to add in a comment there, and then here we're going to be putting in a J text area. So we're just going to call this area, and basically this will be a bigger J text field, but for a lot of text, for multiple lines. So down here, we're going to create the JText area, which is called area. So we're going to do new JText area, just like that. And then down here, we're going to be putting into the main panel in the center, we're going to be putting the JText area. So we're going to call main panel dot add, and then I'm just going to scroll down to that, to that method call, and we're going to add the area with order layout dot center. So let's give this a run and see how it looks. There we go. You can see that we've got this text area here, and if I put stuff in it, you can see I can do multiple lines and that kind of thing. Now, there is a lot of configuration that you can do with a JText area. There's things like line wrap, word wrap, is it editable, whatever. There's a lot that you can do with it. And so we're just going to do a little basic configuration. So we're going to do area.set editable to false, because we don't want to actually be able to edit this text. And then we're going to set wrap style word, and we're going to set that to true. And I think that'll be it for now. We aren't going to be worrying about scrolling and all that kind of thing, all that kind of stuff, just yet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the text that we put in that JText field into the text area. And we're going to delete this little parameter here saying how wide it's going to be. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go down here where we've been just popping up that message dialog. We're going to delete that. So we're going to do area.set text, and then you can see that that takes a string. So we're going to take that, and we're going to not use the field text. We're going to get the text that was already in there and then append our field text to it. So to do that, we're going to do a number of things. For now, I'm just going to comment this out with 2 forward slashes. So we're going to create another string called new text for area. And we're going to assign that to the area's original text. So we're going to just call area.getText. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to append our field text to that. So we're going to do new text for area, and then we're going to do plus assigned, which will add to it the field text. And then there's one more thing that we need to add to this, which is a new line, because it does not have one by default. So we're going to do new text for area, again, plus assign, and then we're going to do \n. And you can make this a character with the single quotes, or you can use the double quotes. For now, I'm going to be using the double quotes because this is a string that I'm working with, and I don't really want to confuse the issue. So now we can uncomment this, and then we're going to set the text to the new text for area. There we go. So we can save that, and then we can run that. So now if I type hello, and then I hit the click me button, you can see the hello was added to there. And you can also see that I cannot edit that JText area's text. So I can also do world, click that again, and you can see that it adds there. And what's kind of annoying is that I have to keep deleting this every time if I wanted to add different text to it. So let's fix that. So after we get the text from the field, we want to clear the field's text. So we're going to call field.setText, and then we're going to set the text to an empty string. And the string is denoted with the 2 double quotes there. And you don't have to worry about this overwriting the field text variable, because that's a separate object, the string object there. And that won't get modified by what's now in there. So we can save that, and we can run that again. And now I can type hello, and then hit the click me, and you can see it erases it from here and puts it in there. So I can type world, put that in, and you can see now it's just going to add them to here and delete them from here. So that's an introduction to the JText area, and getting the stuff from our text field into it with some formatting that we've got here. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!